Hello and welcome to In Simple Terms with Satish. Imagine an AI photo application contains years of your family photographs. One evening, you decide to leave. You press delete my account. A confirmation appears. Your data has been deleted. But here is the uncomfortable question. What if some of those photographs had already been used to train the company's AI? The files may be gone, but has the AI forgotten what it learned from them? Deleting data and making an AI forget are not necessarily the same operation. Imagine giving a student a textbook. The student studies it for an exam. You can later remove the textbook from the student's desk, but removing the book does not automatically remove what entered the student's memory. AI training creates a similar challenge. During training, a model examines data and adjusts millions or billions of numerical connections called weights. Your photograph's influence may now be distributed across them. There is no folder inside the AI labeled your photographs that an engineer can simply drag into the trash. So how can we remove selected data's influence from an already trained model? That is the problem machine unlearning is trying to solve. Machine unlearning attempts to make an AI model behave as though selected training data had never been included. Researchers call the information to be removed the forget set. Everything the model should continue remembering is the retain set. In our story, your photographs join the forget set. The challenge is to remove your influence without damaging everything else the AI learned. The cleanest reference is to remove your photographs and train a new model from the beginning, like giving the student a new education using only approved textbooks. But rebuilding a large AI model can require enormous computing power, time, and money. Retraining the complete model for every deletion request may be impractical. Machine unlearning looks for a faster route that remains trustworthy. Developers might divide training into sections and save checkpoints so they can rebuild only affected parts. Or they might adjust the existing weights, trying to weaken the unwanted influence while preserving everything else. But now, the story takes a turn. The company tests the updated AI. Your photographs no longer appear. The engineers announce that unlearning worked. Then, a security researcher performs a carefully designed test. The researcher cannot recover your photograph. But the model's responses still suggest that photographs like yours were probably used during training. The file is gone, yet a trace of its influence may remain. That is under-forgetting. The opposite is over-forgetting. Removing your influence also damages useful knowledge learned from unrelated photographs. Unlearning, therefore, has three competing goals: remove the requested influence, protect the model's remaining abilities, and avoid rebuilding everything. Then comes the hardest question. How does an independent auditor prove that the AI really forgot? Deleting the files is not proof. The auditor must examine the model's behavior. One approach compares the unlearned model with both the original and a clean reference trained without the unwanted data. In 2026, Google Research introduced a statistical framework designed to improve this kind of auditing. Its work highlights an important distinction. Performing unlearning is one challenge. Proving that it succeeded is another. Unlearning can also address poisoned, incorrectly labeled, copyrighted, harmful, or outdated data. Privacy protections, such as the right to erasure, add urgency. But removing a database record and removing its model influence are not automatically identical. Machine unlearning is not a magical forget button. Some methods are expensive. Some may leave hidden traces. Others may damage useful knowledge. Verification remains an active research problem. So, what is machine unlearning? It attempts to make an AI model behave as though selected training data had never been part of its education. Deleting is a database action. Forgetting is a change in the model's behavior. The next time an application says your data has been deleted, perhaps we need to ask one more question. Has your AI forgotten me too? What should a company prove? That your files were deleted or that its AI forgot their influence too? Share your answer in the comments. If this helped you understand the topic in simple terms, follow or subscribe to In Simple Terms with Satish and share this episode with one friend who likes technology. I will see you in the next episode.